guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope you all are doing okay. So today I just want to show you this quick sleek braided ponytail hairstyle. I've been posting pictures on my Instagram and everyone has been asking me how do I get my hair so sleek, so I just want to show you guys. So the first thing I'm doing is sectioning my hair off. I've made a video on how I sleek my hair before, and you guys, the first thing I always say is try to make sure, one, your hair is fully detangled, and two, sleek your hair in sections. Honestly, I feel like it really may not matter the products you use, but if you take your time to sleek your hair in sections, it's definitely going to be sleek. So I love to use the Wetline Extreme Gel. It's a very thick gel and it's like, it has a really good hold. As you guys can see, I'm just trying to show you the consistency. And I really like this one with the blue cover as well. It's the newest one from them, I believe. So as you can see, I'm just starting to sleek my hair in sections, starting from the back. And you guys, please ignore all of the whiteness you can see. It's from the gel, and coupled with the fact that my hair is still damp. But if I let my hair dry like fully, then none of this will show anymore. So as you guys can see, I'm just taking, I hate when I always say as you guys can see, oh my god, this is a new year, I should stop. But yeah, so I'm going to be sectioning my hair. I'm trying so hard not to say it now. I'm detangling my hair first, and then I'm going to section it. The more sections you do, the flatter your hair is going to turn out. But if you don't have a lot of time, you can just make it into 3 big sections or 4 big sections. The idea is that you're getting the layers underneath to be sleek as well, because if you just put the gel over the top layer of your hair, then it's not going to be flat. You guys, trust me, this isn't even about my hair texture. It's not about my hair type, none of that. Like, if I try to just put gel on my hair without doing it in sections like this, my hair is never going to be flat. Trust me, I have really thick and really kinky hair. So if you're like me, you have thick and kinky hair, 4A, 4B, 4C, whatever hair type you have, this is a great method to do. I know it's very time consuming, so a lot of people do not like to do it, but if you really want to see your hair as sleek as you're expecting, then just do it in sections. Take your time, do it in sections, make sure your hair is detangled, and yeah. So since the back of my hair is all good, I'm moving to the front, and in front I'm also going to be moving in sections, you guys. So I'm just slicking them down as smoothly as I can. I'm using my brush as well to just help to smooth my hair so that everything is really flat. So this is the very last layer on top. So I'm just taking my detangling brush because I wanted this layer to really like stay very flat. And I love this brush because it just helps to like really detangle my hair and make it stay like super smooth and super flat. And on top of that, I just used my regular bristle brush. And now I'm just going to put everything into like a ponytail at the back. Mind you guys, I'm using the same exact hairband. So every time I make a ponytail, I don't make it too tight until I get to the final one, so that it's easy enough to take out and just like make another ponytail. So now I went ahead and repeated the same thing on the other side of my head, and you guys can see how flat my hair is. This is just my happy dance, because trust me, handling thick type 4 hair is not easy. So yeah, I went ahead and brushed out my edges, and then I put the rest of my hair at the back into 2 twists, and now I'm just going to be tying it down with these like wrap strips. You guys, this is another game changer. I've told you guys about it before, but if you've never tried these wrap strips, you need to. I don't know what it is about them, but they just really help to keep my hair flat. Like, if you tie your hair like this and let your hair dry overnight, your hair is not going to move anywhere, okay? But for the sake of this video, I couldn't dry my hair overnight. So yeah, I'm just going to start with the braid now, and this is the hair I'm going to be using. It's from Darling. It's just their regular like braiding hair, and I'm also going to be adding some of this leftover crochet hair just to have the like curly tips. So I used about 1.5 packs of the hair. So here I'm just going to like stretch out the ends so that it's kind of tapered and it doesn't have that like blunt end. I didn't take my time to do this, but if you're braiding your hair, please take your time. I just wanted to do it really quick just to get something to do the braid. And now I'm just detangling it before I brush it out. And as you guys can see, the ends are already tapered. They're not blunt anymore. So that's the look you're going for. Now this is how I'm going to be attaching the Kanekalon hair to my own hair. So my hair is in 2 twists. I just left some falling towards my face, and I'm going to use a scrunchie to attach the rest to my twist. I saw this method on Instagram somewhere, and I thought it was really like smart, because you don't have to like, it's just really smart. You guys will see. So after I'm done passing that over, I'm just going to drop the one I put in front down, and as you guys can see, it just covers up the hairband and covers up everything. So I'm taking one like piece of the hair just to wrap around the base to camouflage the scrunchie or any other thing that might be showing. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and braid the hair. That's literally it, you guys. You can even leave this just like this as a ponytail. Like if your hair is straight, you can just use this hair as a ponytail just like this. But the texture doesn't match my hair, so I'm just going to be making a really chunky braid. And please make sure that you detangle this, because it can tangle up really quick on you. And I just want to say that as you're braiding your hair, try to tuck it into the hair, because the textures are so different. You don't want it to show. I was really struggling in this part, so this is really just for demo. When I was done, I took down this entire braid because it looked horrible. Honestly, I took down the entire braid and I went to like a mirror where I could see closely. When I'm filming, it's always very hard to do certain things because I can't really see very well. My mirrors are far from me, there's a camera in front of me, like, and I'm trying not to get out of frame. So I just had to go off camera. I went to another mirror, and yeah, I did the exact same thing I'm doing on camera now, just that I took my time and I did it much better. I also fed in this curly hair into the braid, and yeah, that was what gave it the curly ends. If you don't have any curly hair, you can just leave a gap at the end and just twist it and probably dip it in hot water, or use some perm rods just to make it curly or whatever. But yeah, that's all I did. So this is the edge control I used to do my edges, and as you guys can see, the braid looks a whole lot better now because I went and did it off camera. But yeah, this is pretty much the finished look, you guys. I just decided to accessorize with this like gold string or gold twine or whatever it is. You guys know I love to accessorize my hair. That's not even news at this point. But yeah, so I'm just going to be tying that all around the braid. I felt like it would make it look even more chic and just add like a bit of oomph to the style. So that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing. And yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. As you can see, my hair is a flat, sleek. As I'm talking, it's been a week since I did this style and my hair is still super flat on my head. I took it to work like all week and everyone kept asking, how did you get your hair so flat? So yes, this is how I stick my hair down. I really hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you have any other video suggestions, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.